Well, another change of plan. When I was looking through my box full of motors, I found I'd actually got one that's the right size to replace the original motor. Because that was a replacement, that was a flat-sided one, but the original one was a cylinder one, whatever you call it, without the flat sides. And I found I'd got one. Had to change the gear on it. The gear that was on it was far less teeth on it, so it would have gone much slower. I still think this will be slower. I think it's a slower motor. I'm also going to take the opportunity to use the on-off switch that comes with the ESC rather than the one that I'd included from the original, because that one was getting rusty and causing problems because it was down on the bottom and getting wet. So I'm just going to use that one and have it hanging out the back here where we can get to it. Switch it on and off. So if I just hold that in place because we haven't got the cover on. That sounds slower to me. But it should at least get us running again. So there. That wasn't quite what I planned to do. I was thinking about using the brushless that I've got, but I seem to remember, it's probably in one of the previous videos, that I did look at putting the brushless in there, and it was going to cause some problems. I think the main problem may have just been the gear, but anyway, that's a side issue. This time, we've gone back to using a brushed motor. Maybe when this one dies, I might do the brushless that time. We will see. Right, quick check, make sure we got forwards and backwards right. Backwards, forwards. Yeah, so looks like we've got a worker again. That wasn't what I'd expected to be doing today, but such is life. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.